So hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Rahtam over here, and for today's another episode of Fires on Earth Men series, episode 3 with Pionelia and Vivas again on episode 2 as well. We lost another member, Salvador. He's a bit going to be taking some other stuff that he used to do. But maybe on another next episode that Salvador can be join us with other people. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode 3 and nothing will much happen. And yes, I gave Pionelia another right armor as well, like mine. Because I mined netherites and I transferred the same as well, like the mine. Still the same.
Hi
Yes.
guys.
So,
Yes.
Vives. Bakit ganyan? Okay, anyways. So, before we start this episode 3, I know we already said this on many episodes that I told you guys on my survival world and this Iron Man series. But this is the final one that I'm going to say, so I won't say it on every episode. But you should, guys, click the subscribe button, click the like button, click the comment down below, so you know if you like this video and more. And click
Yes,
the
do it. Do
And
it.
don't forget to share this video with your friends. Really
yes,
use some views.
yes, of course, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you know I posted more
Yes, do
videos.
it. Do it now.
And
Okay, bro. Okay, bro.
and if you're wondering, guys, why I'm zooming, because me and Vives added more mods on this survival world, which is total of 54, which is mostly Vives more mods
Yeah.
added for performance and qualities purposes. But I added some other stuff that it is needed as well. So I hope you guys enjoy that as well.
Let's go, team.
Let's go, team. Ay, sorry.
Yo, yo, yo,
No.
yo, 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 yo.
Every time we start an episode.
And if you're guys wondering why there's a big hole and why there's a building over here, well, what did I said on the last episode that I'm going to make a storage area. So as you can see, I already filled most of the chairs over here. Some chairs are still empty. I'm planning on which items are going to put here. And for this area, this is going to be the aquarium, so you can view on the animals that we're going to display over here. And like
Ooh,
I said,
fishy.
on this hole that I'm going to make, this is not the big hole that this is finished. I'm going to dig more holes from this side and that side to make much more organized from by colors, by values, by foods, and by resources. So it's going to be a lot of work on doing this underground storage as well. But the main thing is
Ah,
what? But the main thing is finished is this main building that I did. So that's finally finished. Now the only thing left is this one and the house. And it still didn't make the house. Oh my god.
Okay, I'm gonna go chop some wood.
Go chop some wood.
I
And,
fell down the hole, but don't worry,
In
I'm
the
fine.
forest.
ayun.
Aha.
And if you guys wondering where all the dogs are, I killed them. But
What?
not purposely and accidentally. I just killed them for one purpose. They are not my dogs anymore. They're on different owners. So now I brought six more dogs, three different breeds. As I can see, I'm owner by them. Who's the good boy? Who's the good boy? There are six dogs over here, three different kinds of breeds as well. And as I can see, this storage area is still not fixed yet. I have to put so many items over here. This building is not yet finished, but the main purpose is the storage itself. Like here, it's finally finished. But yeah, I'm going to make much more organized from this. So in the starter base that we have, it's much more chaotic. It's not yet finished. But for today's video, we are more gonna focus on this area, the village
Oh,
trading
the
hall.
shears.
Because, excuse me and Vives are planning to zombie fight every single villagers over here. So this is a zombification area, and as you can see, there's a minecart every single here, and all the librarians are having a discount for us. Finally, and don't mind those signs. They are test subject number 1 and test subject number 3. They died. One of them died from the death, and one of them died from being stupidity. Thank goodness for that. And you're wondering why there's a hole over here though. Well, if there's a zombification area, we're not completed without breeding area as well. So this is the area for villagers to have breed, so we can have more villagers to come. And as you can see, it's a big tunnel. Well, the reason why it's a big tunnel because I made a underground base or underground village breeding in here, and it's turning around one more time. Yeah, here. This is where the village will be breed, and we will have a boat, have a minecart to go to there, and yeah, there's a lot of stuff. And this is the breeding station. Just pick a lever to release the breeds, so the villagers can easily be breed. Oh, yeah, where I'm waiting for Pionelia. Where are you, P? Oh yeah, you're here.
I'm in the forest. I am chopping some wood.
You're talking to
I have
wood.
over one, two, three,
You're
four,
are
five stacks of wood.
you're
I have
talking
5 stacks.
you're talking to the wood.
What? What? No, 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 no. I have 5 stacks of wood.
Ah, so I thought you said you're talking to the wood.
Bro, what the heck? Why?
You said talking to the wood.
I said chopping some wood.
Ah, they sound alike.
Bruh. Ako na yung magiging doctor kasi wala si Sal.
Wala na si Dr. Sal.
Dr. Salving.
Yo, let's teleport back to the base. It's quite dark now. Ah,
You don't know I'm here.
Boss, I think we should teleport back to the base.
All right, let's go.
Ay,
Ano sabi mo?
nothing.
Pre, tanda mo, naka-recording ako. Maybe
Oh,
you
right,
forgot.
right, right.
Maybe you
Right,
forgot.
right. This is a family-friendly channel.
Yes, and yung sinabi mo, ay, gusto po, tapat. Hindi yung ay.
I 6'7".
Bigay mo sa akin yung mga kahoy.
Okay. Where you at?
Where are you at?
Hold up. Okay, where you at now?
Where are you at? I'm at the house. Where are you at? I'm in the forest.
Bruh, stop recording. Ah. Oh,
Fine. Just stay there.
Jan, finally here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stacks of wood.
Oh my god. So many wood. Anyways.
Is that enough wood, or should I get more?
That's enough. If it doesn't,
Okay, let's
kung
go
hindi
to
siya
the-
enough, sasabihin kita ulit.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go to Vipes. I'll check what he's doing. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, guys, if you saw this villager in a boat, don't mind it. It says just to be sold to the freaky machine effective immediate. And that means, I think you guys already know what it is means. From a PewDiePie. Tama ba, Praise? Galing ba yan kay PewDiePie?
Pinanood ko siya dati. Yeah, nakuha ko yung word freak.
Nakalimutan ko na kasi yun eh. Yeah, it came from PewDiePie from what my best friend said. It came from a word from PewDiePie on saying freaky or freak, the term of breeding. So yeah, no wonder guys. Don't worry. And by the way, don't mind Beavis on what he's doing. He's just zombifying every single villager that we have. Well, for me, I'm doing the design for the tunnel. While for Pio, I don't know what we will do. Pio, just be yourself. Just go.
Okay, 6-7, 6-7.
I'm not saying that. I'm just saying just
Come
be
on,
yourself.
man.
Okay.
Eh, tanda mo, nasa family friendly tayo. Hindi tayo makakain ng brain rot dito. Akala ko ayaw mo makakain ng brain rot dito. Kasi ikaw pa yung naging brain rot tuloy.
What is down here? Ooh.
You already went here, you dumb.
Ayaw nga, no, I did go here already.
Oh my god. You already went there.
And then those are the steps. Alright.
Can you mine as well? So on the other side here.
Right here.
Yes, kung paano ko
Okay.
ginagawa lang. Kung paano ko ginagawa. We're gonna design this. Then climb.
Alright. Bro, why are we climbing 2 twin towers?
What do you mean twin towers?
Yo!
Bro, dito 911, hindi ito 911.
I meant, why are we building 2 wood pillars?
Well, we're gonna well, typically kasi mag-chop tayo. Oh my god.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
Oh!
Alright, that's all the wood I have.
Do you have your axe?
Yes, sir. Oh, wait.
Anyways.
Do you know how to strip?
Yes, right click,
click.
right?
After right click, left
Exactly.
click. Para automatic bumaba na tayo. Just hold right click and just hold left click as well.
Ah,
wait.
I know what you mean.
Gosh! I just realized, yung golden apples na kay Salvador, nag-leave siya ng game. Yung golden apple na sa inventory niya.
Why? We don't have golden apples though.
Dude.
Bro, how far?
Wait.
Bro, are you that just hold right and left. Unahin mo muna yung right tapos left. You hold mo na yung dalawa
I
na yan.
got it.
Alright, okay. Depende
There.
kompleto. Depende kompleto. Okay,
There.
here's another stack.
Okay.
Climb again. We're gonna have twin towers.
Hey, what?
What?
Twin pillars. Twin pillars.
Twin pillars, not towers. Twin pillars.
Yes,
Yo,
pillars,
that
pillars,
sounds the
pillars.
same though.
No, it's a oak plate. It's a oak pillars. Don't worry, it's oak
Yeah,
pillars.
oak pillars.
It's oak pillars. Don't worry.
Hi guys.
Oh my God, pre! Pre!
Oh my gosh.
Jump!
Beavis, what you been up to?
Oh my!
Oh.
Why do you keep teleporting to me? Okay, do the same thing as well. 3, 2, 1, go.
I need my water back.
Let's see who is faster. They joke. Just do it. Oh my God, Vives, what are you doing there?
Beavis, what's that?
Oh my God. Katabi ko pa yung tubig. Can't you just do MLG?
Okay, and the winner is Fason.
Here is the strip foods that we got.
Right
Here. Don't give it to me. Don't give it to me. Don't give it to me.
What do I do with them?
We're going back to them.
Oh, okay.
Hold on. I'm hungry.
TP, Rafdom.
Pero nakikita mo ba?
Teka. I have to eat first.
You have
Okay, I'm good now. Oh,
Pio.
tapos, ano?
Pio, sabi mo slash TP Rafdom. Eh, nakikita mo pa, hindi pa ako pumupunta.
Ayaw nga, no? Oopsies. Okay, what do we do now?
Just follow me.
Ay!
I'm gonna shut that face again.
I swear, my mood is like so much better now. Like, honestly.
I told you.
Tapos, what do I do?
Okay. Nakikita mo to?
Oh goodness. I
Yeah.
need a golden apple.
Gawin mo din to sa taas. Gawin mo din yan sa taas.
Just the middle?
Yeah, just the middle.
There we go.
Okay,
Now
now,
what?
go here. Go up here.
Uh-huh.
Remember that wall?
Yeah?
We're gonna use strip oak logs in the middle.
Like that?
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
Hold on. Ako muna. Pag lapag ko, lalapag ka na. Okay, go.
Alright. I think that's right. Why am I using a pickaxe on wood?
I wonder why.
Huh.
Ah!
I
Excuse me.
Viva, where'd you come from?
I wonder why.
What are you doing? You're using what? You're using what?
I accidentally used wood. Kinda. I accidentally used...
You accidentally use wood?
No. I accidentally used a pickaxe to mine wood.
I'll punish you later, but I'll be back.
Now you don't need to punish me.
No. Well, so I'm gonna delete my death waypoint. I'll be back, guys, and just have fun for a while.
Okay. Oh my god, why do I keep mining wood with a pickaxe?
Why?
Ah! I don't wanna... Okay, I don't have enough wood.
Oh, you don't have another. You have another stack. You have 2 stacks. Remember
Wait,
that.
what? Ay, oo nga no. Okay,
Use the
I'll
other
do that.
stack.
Oopsies, I forgot about the other stack. Okay, now what?
Can you give me the extras you have?
Okay. Oopsie. There. Ito muna. Yan.
Okay, so kunin mo yan.
Okay. Now what?
Nakikita mo yung mga edge nito?
Yeah?
Kailangan natin to tanggalin tapos i-transform natin para maging smooth yung edge na yan. Sa mga each side, yung mga ganyan, yung each corner.
Okay, I get what you mean.
Para maganda yung tignan. Kasi ang pangit yan.
Yun. Okay, done, Fazon.
Okay, though.
Yo, what's up? I'm back. I'm gonna get back to work.
Wow.
Anyways, Pia, come here.
Okay. Now what?
Let's do this again.
Towers?
Yep.
Let's go.
Oh my god, you're excited.
Ah!
Why does it
Nice.
have to be perfect timing? Okay, let's go. Twin
Okay.
pillars. Twin
What?
pillars.
Okay.
Okay, 3. Today we're gonna use 2 stacks, not one stack, but 1 stack by 1 stack. Okay? 2 stacks. So continuously
Okay.
akit tayo until ubos na yung stack. Okay, 3.
Okay.
Wait lang, where's my axe? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. No! No!
Look at me. I'm still building.
Of course you are. I fell down, alright? Chill. Don't brag about it. Ano?
Oh no. Oh no.
Yes!
Oh no.
Yes! You finally die! And what did you just say?
Nothing. I.
Nothing.
You're lucky I don't have my bow. I don't have an arrow. You're lucky.
Oh
I have
my god.
I have my bow, but I don't have my arrows. Here.
We don't need to do that.
Oh, we are. Oh my god, ang ganda ng sunset. Oh, we're reaching the clouds.
3, 2, 1. Okay. Ah! No.
Namatay pa yung TP sa akin.
I was so close.
Yes, you were. Ready?
Wait. Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, go.
Ooh.
I didn't even say
Why did it out there?
what.
Nothing.
What did you say? Oh my god, nasaan si Peony? Ang tagal niya. Nasa taas pa yun siya.
Nah, because one wood didn't turn in so fast, so I had to go back.
Oh my god, he's very far away. How would I do that?
Oh well.
You didn't
I have
even
my
you
wood.
didn't even finish though. Check your inventory.
What? Wait, I have to delete my death waypoints. There we go.
Check your inventory.
Why do I have so much wood?
I'm not saying the wood. I'm saying you have an oak log.
Oh nga, no, I have 3 oak logs.
Strip then.
One moment.
Oh my days.
Ay.
Tagal naman ito.
Hold on.
Ay, bilisan mo.
There.
Masisiya ako na to.
There.
Okay, let's go
There.
back.
Get in. Woo!
Woo! Nakapasok ka pa yun. Daya. Ang daya.
Oh, what now?
Let's do this on the side.
Ah, okay. You do that side, I do this side.
Yep.
At the bottom of the stairs.
You're not slow.
I'm trying to be slow and steady. Because I don't know how much room I have left in my inventory. Boy, I barely have anything left in my inventory.
What do you mean?
I can't pick up that many stuff left. Oh, I ran out of wood, Fazon.
I should mine some trees. Just a little trees.
Find like a few more trees.
Not few more. More trees.
Yeah, I'll mine more trees.
Alright. Let's mine more. Oh,
Are you
good.
serious?
Ano nangyari kay Vivus?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, I went the wrong way. Oh. Ay. Okay, now we put this to get oak logs.
Hold on.
Oh, too late. I already did.
Yo!
Oh, shoot. Hold on for a minute. Give me the oak planks, or how many do you have?
Here I got my 64 oak logs. I already chopped my others into wood.
Let me put every here.
Hello.
Yo, Aubrey.
Oh, obligation is here. Nice. Okay,
Oh,
so
I am. What?
okay, game. So Pioneer, here's an extra stock for you for the tunnel.
Thank you, bro.
Nice.
Ano
I'm
yun
getting
na?
attacked
Ano sinasabi
by
mo?
like. Oh my god.
Ano sinasabi mo? Sabi mo?
Oh,
You're getting attacked on what?
never mind.
This is so unfair. I just joined and I got attacked by like 3 baby zombies.
Oh, bro, I feel you.
Oh,
I feel you. I know. I also got
come
attacked
on.
on
I
that.
lost internet for like a few seconds.
Oh, damn.
I'm gonna go back to zombifying villagers.
Damn.
You guys got an XP farm?
Yeah. Got more villagers to infect.
Do you have an XP farm? Where's my axolotls? Where did they
You
go?
had axolotl?
I had 2 axolotls.
You had what?
I did
I
not
had
know you
to-
had. Oh shit.
I had 2 axolotls.
I
them
don't
was
know. I didn't
the
know you
other-
had axolotls.
Do you have an XP farm?
Do we have an XP farm, Paz?
Yeah, we do.
Well, there you have it. Thank you for tuning in.
They're stuck in the. Oh, sorry. Oops.
Alright. No.
Oh.
Okay lang yan, okay lang yan.
Ah.
Um,
I'll just fix that. Wait.
Just-
Is there
just press F4.
what?
Just press F4. So you can spectate.
F4?
Yes, F4. Just press it.
Oh, free cam.
Yeah, you can use your free cam. Just press that and you can
Ah.
see how everything is. You don't have to use.
Oh, that is really nice.
Yep.
We're kind
Real.
of getting stuck in the elevator though, not gonna lie.
Ano yan, viewers?
Official employee na ako sa trading hall. Ako nagtatrabaho dito.
Well,
Yung
sorry.
doctor.
Ay, oops.
Oh,
Dito ako.
I love working here. I love my job.
If you're wondering, there's an enchantment table here and kung itong laman na ito is for crafting and other stuff that we need to make.
Oops, we're out of mine cards.
Ay, sorry.
Nice.
What
May
the
fire.
hell?
Dahil natamaan kita kasi naka-fire aspect din ako.
That's nice. That's nice. Forest fruit, obsidian,
Just throw everything there. Don't just...
a mending fishing rod. I remember using that fishing rod to get food because that's the only way I could get food.
Oh, so you have a course fruit. Since you defeated it.
Yeah. I remember going to the end, but I don't have an elytra. I have a dragon egg.
So you did go to the NCT but you don't know.
I don't have choker though. I don't have choker though.
It's not all of your stuff. Just put everything in there. Don't worry. Everything will be keeping safe.
Pwede na pala yan, 2 beses mag-salang. Oo.
Even your
Okay.
armor. Just put your armor there. Alright. Stand there. Stand still.
Walang pamangan.
No, don't break it. Don't break it. I said stand still.
Breaking it. I'm not breaking it. I'm standing still.
Alright. I hereby giving you this stuff.
Yo. Let's go. I skipped everything else. Why is the bow called blood?
That's my bow. I made it again. I call it blood. Now you're
You
fully.
have no.
As you can see, we have new members that we added, Obligacion and Salvador. And we did much more organization on the storage room that I did. We did the village breeding farm so we can have more village incoming for trading hall. We did zombification area on testing on how we are doing so much. And I'm sorry that BWS is so much chaos on doing that. And order guys, mayroon akong behind the scenes yung ginawa namin yan. Huwag ka magalala. Popost ko din yun. So, I hope you guys really like episode 3 so far. We're gonna make episode 4 very very soon as well after this. We might gonna make episode 4 next week or in this weekends. Mga ganun. Depende na lang sa amin kung kailan kami magiging free. So, I hope you guys really enjoyed episode 3. And see you guys on episode 4. And I will not say this again on the episode 4. Which is, click the subscribe button, click the like button, click comment down below that you really guys love this episode 3 or the series that we made. and click the notification bell that I posted a brand new video for the next episode kumakain ka pa talaga. For the next video of Fire Zone RMN series. And you might see another episode for in Farzone Into the Blockverse episode 7 very soon. That's all about it, guys, and I hope you guys have fun on what I'm going to post very, very soon. So, see you guys there. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Bye.
What is your final word, Vivas?
Don't forget to subscribe, of course. And also stay tuned on this channel. Don't forget to don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to click the like button. I really appreciate it. And it just tells us that you like more of our good content that you'll never see anywhere else on YouTube or any other platforms on the internet. So, good night, guys.
What is your final word as well, but not related on YouTube? On your final word about the viewers itself.
Well, thank you guys so much for all the support. And yeah, I hope we get to continue making more of this cool stuff for you guys. And trust me when I say this, that there's going to be more amazing stuff coming for you. So stay with us.
Yes, stay with us, boys.
Trust me, you don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss it.
Just the process. Just trust the process, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed.
May
See you
not
guys there.
look like much now, but don't worry. Someday it's gonna be big. There's gonna be a lot more stuff.
Oh yeah, guys. Thank
More.
you for 50 subscribers on this YouTube channel. I hope we grow this YouTube to more subscribers that we have. What do you mean? Why?
Phantom.
Huh? There. Yeah. Thank you guys for 50 subscribers.
Bye.
Oh my god. Thank you guys for the 50 subscribers on this Draftdom YouTube channel. And I hope this grows even more to 100, 150, 1,000, 25,000, 100K, 1 million, or what else the number I'm going to target. But the first goal I'm targeting is 100K so we can get silver button for this channel. And guys, as you said, I'm very, very grateful for 50 subscribers. I hope this is go more to 100, 150, and more, and so on and so forth. I hope you guys keep subscribing to us, keep supporting us in this series and what videos I'm going to post as well. So, see you guys on episode 4 and episode 7 in my solo survival. See you guys there. Bye-bye!
Bye. Oops.
Alam mo, nakita ko pa nahulog ka.
Well,